What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a little Dollar Tree DIY vanity decor. So everything I'm using in this video is from Dollar Tree, so it won't cost you that much. So I've got this gift bag from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut to make it shorter, so that way it looks like what I'm trying to do. So just cut this. I'm just gonna cut it in the middle. I know I'm taking my time because I'm trying to make this straight. So just cut through this, guys. And then here it's cut, so I just put that one back in there, and then I'm going to glue it. Those were the flower I was going to use, but I ended up not using because I didn't really like the color. It wasn't going with what I was doing. So here I'm using this tacky glue from Dollar Tree again, and I'm just going to glue the bag. So you see how like it looks shorter than what it was before. So I'm just going to glue this here. Don't worry about the lines because we're gonna cover that, so you know, whether it's cricket or not, so we're going to cover it. Just keep well, I was having problem with the glue coming down, but so yeah, just do that for all four sides. Kind of play with it, and that's it right here for the glue. And then I was going to, I don't know, I thought I was gonna use this, but then I end up using this Chanel logo, so I end up cutting it through, and then now we're going to glue that on the bag. So we're gonna make it look like a Chanel flower bag-ish, you know. So I'm just going to glue this on there. Like I said, don't worry about those lines that looks weird, but try to glue it like in the middle as possible and stuff. So don't put too much glue, so that way, like, you know, the paper don't what's the word I'm looking for, so that the paper don't look wet, and it's like when I dry it, it makes that weird thing. I don't know, I can't remember, but let me know in the comment, guys, if you guys like this DIY, so I can keep making more. And let me know if you guys try this, you know. So here I'm just putting the glue on there, and then I'm about to put it on the bag now. So just put that on there. So I'm trying to like get it right. Trying to get it right on there. So make sure everything is glued. I know I'm kind of like speeding through this. I don't want it to look too. So here I'm using this diamond type band, I think they call, from Dollar Tree again. And that print, that Chanel logo, I just printed that off the laptop. And you know, just get any picture you want and just print that and then cut it and put it on it. So this is from the Dollar Tree also, so I'm going to put that around where we cut, so that way it don't look like there's like that, you know, that transition there with the thing. So this is what it looks after I use the hot glue gun for this one. So yeah, and we're going to do a second one, which is the tray. I'm doing a tray, a little tray with those frame, picture frame, and you can get bigger ones. So this is, I just wanted to do like a smaller tray. And I've seen this this DIY YouTuber I watch all the time. Her name is Bargain Brittany. Yeah, I think I'll probably link her name down below. And I saw her doing this, and I thought it was like a cute idea to make a tray. So I decided to, use the same method, but hers was black. But I ended up leaving mine gold like that. And I use a smaller picture frame. So here you just remove everything from the picture frame. Move the glass, everything. And then you're gonna, not like that. I don't know why my brain wasn't working, but you're gonna, I'm using the hot glue gun for this. So, and you're just going to put those down so that way, like, it's easy for you to like glue them together. And nope, not like that, guys. I was having, so you're gonna glue them like that on top of each other like that. So I end up removing those little thing. It's from the Dollar Tree, so it's not really hard to take those little thing off. So I just took those off to make it so it could like sit there nicely. So I'm just using my hot glue gun to do this, and I'm holding my phone recording it. It's also for Snapchat. But here I'm putting it on the other one on top of it. And yeah, so here I end up using these pictures for it. For the inside, I use the rose picture for the inside, and then the Prada the Prada words, I cut those. So here we're putting the first glass in that frame, and then I'm putting the picture, which I needed to cut a little bit more to make it fit. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit. Then here fit good enough, so I put one of the little paper thing from here. Then I end up adding the other glass on there right here, and then cover it up. Cover that up, and try to remove this so that way when you sit it doesn't so that way it sits straight. So as you can see, that's the tray right there with the flower inside. So with these little words that I cut, I didn't really like it. I think it's because there was that white paper still inside. I think I needed to like cut the inside also, so because I didn't like what it looks like. I don't know, it didn't really go with my brain. So I end up putting this and then removing them because I didn't like. I think I'm gonna have to like print another one in a different color that I think that will go, because I did not like this. I think the white is throwing me off and stuff. Let me know, guys, what you guys think, if it's cool or. But I end up taking them off, so the papers end up going away. So yeah, I glued this and then I didn't like it, so I took it off. Yeah, guys. So this is what it looked like with that. I didn't like it because it looked too fake. I wanted it to, because you can tell it's papers. I guess I wanted it to look like it was on there. So this is me trying to like put some stuff on the tray, little stuff on there to make it look cool. So yeah. I'm taking a picture of Snapchat. I think that's when I end up not liking it. I don't know, I'm putting more glue. Well, but see, in here I took them off. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.